record it.
I'm scared.
No, just go. It's not gonna kill you. Just keep thinking. It's not gonna kill you. You're not gonna die. It's just a really loose tooth. Dad pulled my tooth out and it didn't hurt at all. He's such a baby.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Kevin, don't!
Why'd you say Kevin no? See his eyes.
Carter!
Oh.
Just go. He's a baby. Such a baby.